Hello, my name is Erica Bruder, and for my final project, I created a video tutorial on the publisher database ScienceDirect. ScienceDirect is produced by the information and analytics company Elsevier. It provides full-text articles, primarily science, technology, and medicine, and it covers a few journals in the arts, humanities, and social sciences. It can be beneficial for academic students searching for information on chemistry, technology, biology, economics, business, physics, computers, social science, earth science, and medicine. For the purpose of this tutorial, I assumed the role as a reference librarian at an academic library, providing an instructional video for graduate and doctoral students. This tutorial is geared for graduate students majoring in science and related fields. Often, graduate students stick with a database that they use as undergrads, and they often miss out on finding articles that would be beneficial for their class assignments and research projects. This database could also be helpful for doctoral students working on their dissertation and are not familiar with ScienceDirect, but they are searching for new databases that would help with their research. So, why ScienceDirect? Well, I previously worked in an academic library, and I would often encounter graduate and doctoral students from the chemistry and engineering departments needing assistance in finding articles. Due to the large amount of references required in their assignments, they were often having difficulty trying to locate exactly what they were looking for. Most were unaware that the library had access to databases in the related field, such as ScienceDirect. This tutorial helps make students aware of this particular database and the journals and articles it has to offer. It also helps by familiarizing them with the publications that are relevant to their field. Another purpose of this tutorial was to teach them ways that could help to save time by showing them the available search techniques in ScienceDirect that could help them avoid having to search through a list of articles that were not relevant to their search topic, which can often be time-consuming. This guide was created to show students 3 different ways on how to search using ScienceDirect. The keyword search was demonstrated to show students that they were able to enter more than one keyword in the field with Boolean operators. The first search was also used to get students familiar with the layout of the website. For example, in the database, the Refined By section is located on the left side of the search results. Most grad students are aware of Citation Programming, but the tutorial demonstrates how the reference section in some articles in ScienceDirect offer a link that they could click on to direct them to the page with their chosen article. Often the link would route them to another database system that had access to the specific article. It shows students that they might not have found this article just by using one specific database to search in. Searching by journal title is not commonly used, but grad students can find this option helpful. For example, if they are searching for a specific article but only have the title and not the author's name, or they see the title is retrieving multiple results, using the journal search option, they can find this exact article they are searching for. Once this tutorial is reviewed by the Assistant Library Director of the Jane C. Jernigan Library, she will decide whether or not to add this tutorial to their ScienceDirect LibGuide. This particular library uses LibQual to get feedback from students. So the plan would be to add a question to the survey to see if they find the online database tutorials helpful. Now, the question would not be specific to this particular tutorial, but if they answer yes, there would be a follow-up question for them to list any particular ones they felt were useful. Overall, I hope that my tutorial could be used as a guide for graduate students that need to search beyond the database and search techniques that they are familiar with, and to utilize other databases within their field that the library has available.